Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this biryani poster in Canva. So I'm just going to select a picture from here. You can obviously use your own picture. I'm just going to copy and paste that. And I'm going to flip it vertical first and then horizontal. Wait. Yeah, I think I'm just going to flip it once. Sorry about that. And we're just going to place it underneath that. Like this. Okay, then what we're going to want to do is we're going to turn down the opacity of the reflection. Okay, it looks weird for now, but we're also going to pick a color for the background. I'm just going to pick, let's say, this color. And then I think I'm just going to create a gradient. So or just use the one from here, and I'm going to color it the same as the background. Wait, let's just add a square first. And then we will create a gradient here. And then we'll just do the same here, and I'm going to do it this way, and I'll just rotate that. Hopefully you got it from what I've explained. It was a little bit hard to explain that. Like this. Okay, make sure there. Okay, there we go. Then you're going to go to your text and then add text box. Then I'm just going to type in chicken biryani. Very hungry looking at this. And obviously change the font and the color of it. Let's do that. And then you can like add more information, add in logos, etc., etc. Obviously according to your business. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.